ISHM always has has always been able to take education to a totally new level altogether. As you all know, 7th of July every year, Chocolate Day is being celebrated. Taking this into consideration, this year ISHM celebrated Chocolate Day we are going to celebrate Chocolate Day in a different way. जहाँ we have called about around 20 to 24 students from Aurobindo Institute of Education, Salt Lake, and we are making a chocolate workshop with our very own chef Kuntol, who is our pastry chef. And as you can see, the students are all gathered here for making different chocolates. They're going to make chocolate muffins, chocolate balls, brownies, and it's going to be a fun-filled and a light event.
Institute of Education to ISHM to celebrate Chocolate Day.
Welcome to ISHM. Welcome to ISHM page also. Today so many students they came and they made very beautiful desserts, some cookies also, some brownies also, some chocolate muffins and chocolate balls. Fine, and they are very happy, and even I am also happy that they made very good products. Fine, and we are very happy to show them that how we can prepare the bakery products, and in future maybe some students they are going to become a very good chefs. Okay, so thank you very much ISHM to give me this opportunity to conduct this session, and thank you these students also. They are very knowledgeable. Thank you very much.